Let us start with the most important reference to context explanations. Unless one is wealthy, say, never realized तक. The narrator of the story depicted his idea about the modern life in the opening. He told one rich people having an ample of money can enjoy life with satisfaction of romance. Romance involves adventures in life, away from day-to-day life for living livelihood. Man-woman relationship as well as any event that gives an excitement to human comes with an adventure. We see both relationship with an adventure. We see in both relationship an exciting event as an adventure in the story. The narrator gives example of Huey, who never did or told any extraordinary, nor he told anything extremely low. That means he never was intellectual. According to the writer, any work of extreme behavior, high or low levels, needs a high intelligence. Apparently, only good thing was very important look of Hivi और कुछ नहीं था उसके अंदर में. यहीं पर आके ये एक्सप्लेनेशन खत्म होता है. Hivi next RTC, his father had bequeathed him his cavalry sword. यहाँ से an old aunt allowed him. वहाँ तक करेंगे हम लोग. Let us come to the next explanation. His father was left a cavalry sword that he used in the military life, and a 15-volume history of Iberian Peninsular War. Peninsular War हुआ था एक ठो 1808 से 1814 most probably इंग्लैंड में फ्रांस के साथ. England won the war and drove off Napoleon's army. These things were kept in between Bailey's magazine. एक Bailey's magazine बोल के मैगजीन होता था 1860s के आसपास, covering sports, hunting और अदर चीज लेके stories, horse racing. No more monetary wealth or no property was left for Huey. Huey के लिए कोई property छोड़ के नहीं गया था उनके पापा और ancestors. One of his old aunt gave him £200 a year for his living. Those 200 piece of gold coin at that time. Don't take it easy. Both paisa. Writer possibly wanted to indicate that Huey got only romance of adventure through his ancestors, did not have any practical sense of money making. Next, में आ जाते हैं. He had tried everything से प्रोफाइल और नो प्रोफेशन तक हम लोग इसके बाद एक्सप्लेनेशन करेंगे. लेट अस कम. He tried a lot of jobs in his life for fortune, but failed in all. He went to share market, but he was like a soft, beautiful butterfly there in between money making, ferocious bull and bear, like share brokers. Bull's ideology is to buy and let the share price high, and bears do just opposite by selling, being let it be low priced. He became became sandwich between these two aggressive types because he was not an aggressive man. So he failed to make. He tried tea leaves business of Indian Peco and Chinese Souchong leaves, but could not make money. He went for dry sherry, a Spanish white wine, for white grapes, made them too dry and failed in business. He could not make effective money maker, ineffectual original में है, ever just became a good looking man only with soft heart. Next है एलन ट्रेवर के साथ उनका जो ह्यूवी का जो मीटिंग हुआ था वहाँ से एलन ट्रेवर वॉज अ पेंटर से पूरा के पूरा एंट्री टू हिज स्टूडियो तक पूरा एक्सप्लेनेशन. कम टू द एक्सप्लेनेशन. Huey was depressed because of his lover's father wanted him to show £10,000 for marrying his daughter Laura. ये capital L होगा, small L हो गया है. A pound was a gold coin of 12 grams at that time. Huey could not collect that huge amount. He went to his best friend Trevor, just opposite type of personality. He was an artist, but used to do a painting job on a house or anything for money sometimes. The writer made it clear that artists are high high in quality than the painter. Uh, because the painter do only commercial things that looks good, but an artist ने give an aesthetic value मैंने सौंदर्यन वो ज़्यादा करते हैं. Value to the painting. Trevor was an aggressive mindset to make money at the same time and having intellectual qualities unlike Huey. The writer made a contrast in those two best friends. Next artist, when Huey came in he found Trevor say for alms. वहाँ तक. Let us come to the explanation. Explanation में both of the friends liked each other. Trevor liked Huey for his beautiful looks because, according to Trevor, an artist should like and think about beautiful things or intellectual matters that involves high values only for the influence to make art. Beauty is art to Trevor. Even an old wretched something might have art and beauty in it, like a old and ओ एन होगा ये एक ही जगह में an old haunted house. एक पुराना बड़ी घर जो होता है ना वो भी मतलब महल जो होता है वो भी मतलब आर्ट हो सकता है. That he had any time access to the studio of Trevor. Next, what an amazing model, whispered Huey. यहाँ से would have made him. वहाँ तक हम लोग अभी इसको एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. So let us now come to the next explanation. Huey cried loudly that the old man was a tremendous collection of model for painting. Trevor accepted that view immediately. Trevor's tone changed to an exclamation that that kind of model was rarely rare. Trevor, on the appearance, told that the old man as a rare model. On the other hand, Trevor meant something deep about the old model, which was not apparently seen but rare. When Trevor told as he, the ugliness and poverty became so perfect in that an old man became art of beauty. Trevor was emotional in saying that old models rated beauty as vassalage. Diego Vassalage, a Spanish masterpiece artist of 17th century. इसका उच्चारण स्पेनिश में थोड़ा डिफरेंट है, इंग्लिश में उच्चारण कर रहे हैं हम. He expressed his astonishment by saying, "My stars, like the fate or fortune." जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, ओ क्या हुआ, what a fate, ऐसा टाइप का. He expressed his old man's artistic beauty as an etching process of engraved print making by the famous French artist Rembrandt in 17th century. ये भी फ्रेंच उच्चारण है, इसको इंग्लिश में कर रहे हैं. Trevor was equalizing or equaling the artistic value of the old man with the extremely valuable artwork of the world had ever produced. Next artist is poor old chap, said Huey. यहाँ से लेके walk quite as hard as you do. यहाँ तक. Let us come to the next explanation. Huey appreciated that the old man's unhappy face and appearance as poorest was his value. Trevor accepted that people wanted to see a beggar as unhappy and poorest certainly. When Huey got to know that Trevor was going to fetch £2,000, he was amazed about that much of money. Trevor showed a superiority ego and told that artists, physicians got guinea gold coins for their high value. Huey advocated a percent of the sum to the old models as the equal wage contribution to the art, but Trevor denied it heavily. Trevor told that an art is created by the artist from anything, so all the credit goes to the artist. Only standing in front of the artist is not equally valued. Trevor told that creating an art involved मैनुअल लेबर टू. वो भी मैंने एक आर्टिस्ट जो काम करता है ना वो भी मैनुअल लेबर ही होता है, बहुत हार्ड वर्क होता है उसमें, यही बताया वो. नेक्स्ट आर्टिस्ट ही डोंट रन अवे हुई यहाँ से, मतलब एकदम थैंक यू तक. लेट अस कम टू द नेक्स्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन. Trevor went out to see the frame maker. Huey felt pity for the old man's poverty. Huey himself was not well off uh, in terms of the money, but he felt the old man had more need, so he gave a sovereign, a gold coin of pound at that time, to that man. Huey knew that he would not have money for 15 days for that generosity. The old man gave him thanks and smiled peculiarly as he had a rare success achieving the donation of the coin. It was not a bigger success, as if the old man waited for a moment and Huey made it for him. जैसे कि वो जो ओल्ड मैन है वो वेट कर रहे थे इसके लिए कौन कभी मतलब पैसा देगा. He was not a beggar like situation. We know that the old man was a tycoon and multimillionaire. He, in fact, wanted to show oneself as a beggar. He was successful when Huey gave him donation, thinking a poorest beggar. The writer shows a peculiar romance adventure of this millionaire who wanted himself to be known as a beggar in the painting for history. The next RTC, then Trevor arrived and Huey took his leave, blushing a little. यहाँ से चालू करके what prospects you have यहाँ तक पूरा के पूरा. Let us come to the explanation now. Trevor was scolded by Laura for his extravagantly in giving donation of a gold pound to a beggar because he would be in trouble for the rest of the month. बाकी महीने के लिए तो उसको पैसा नहीं मिलेगा. That soft-heartedly generosity was not accepted by her because she wanted to see him making money, not losing them for their marriage. Huey went to Trevor and Trevor told that he revealed Huey's earning, leaving everything to that old beggar. Huey were unhappy listening to it. Next, RTC Baron Hoburg cried Huey. वहाँ से गुड हेवंस वहाँ से चालू करके एकदम what duffer he must think. उसके बाद जो है लाइन was in the high spirit यहाँ तक. Let us start with Trevor continued pranking Huey for his giving a gold coin to the Baron and told that he never expected that action from Huey. Rather, he understood his the kissing of a poor old model for honor. पहले वो किस किए थे हाथ में वो समझ में आता है यही बता रहे हैं. When Huey was ashamed for his duffer like action, बुद्धिहीन टाइप का मतलब एक्शन जो है वो अपने आप में मतलब वो थोड़ा लज्जित हो रहा है, ashamed हो रहा है. Trevor objected and told the Baron was happy for the donation being successful and having appearance of a poor dressed beggar. वो खुद बहुत खुश थे. नेक्स्ट आरटीसी आई एम एन अनलकी डेविल. वहाँ से एलन ट्रेवर इन फिट्स ऑफ लाफ्टर यहाँ तक कहीं से भी आ सकता है वो हम लोग करेंगे. लेट अस कम टू द एक्सप्लेनेशन नाउ. Huey felt oneself as an unlucky devil who was not blessed by God. अनलकी डेविल जो होता है ना गॉड के द्वारा वो ब्लेस्ड नहीं थे. ऐसे बिब्लिकल एक तो माइथोलॉजी है. And got up to go home. Trevor continued laughing in pranking tone, telling he was not understanding that he had best kind of humanity. Philanthropy जो बोला जाता है वो ओरिजिनल में वही है. ओरिजिनल जो मतलब बुक का जो मतलब लाइन्स है उसमें फिलंथ्रोफिक क्वालिटी बताया गया. गिव वन कॉइन टू द ओल्ड मैन, ह्यूमैनिटी जिसको बोलता है. ह्यूवी वेंट आउट टू होम. इसके बाद ह्यूवी होम की तरफ चले गए. नेक्स्ट द लास्ट आरटीसी ये एन ओल्ड जेंटलमैन विथ गोल्ड स्पेक्टेकल्स यहाँ से चालू करके एकदम लास्ट लाइन तक जो है बाय जोव मॉडल मिलेनियर आर रेयर स्टिल. लेट अस नाउ स्टार्ट विद द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग ही वाज इन अटेंडेंस told him that someone came to see him. The name card showed Monsieur Gustave from the Baron. He thought that he must have come for apology. He tried to tell that he had been apologetic for his giving one coin. That one coin. Then Mr. Gustav gave him a sealed envelope that contained a 10,000 pound check for their marriage. It was a good Samaritan kind of an ending, where one was paid for his good done. कर्मा जो बोला जाता है, मतलब अच्छा काम करोगे तो अच्छा ही मतलब फल मिलेगा, ऐसा ही हुआ है यहाँ पर. Trevor told that there are rare millionaire models. मिलेनियर मॉडल्स, मिलेनियर है, मॉडल बनना चाहते हैं, बहुत हैं लेकिन रेयर हैं. बट रेयरर वॉज मॉडल मिलेनियर जो हैविंग गुड रोमांटिक हार्ट इज रेयर, रियली रेयरर. मतलब जो मिलियनियर है लेकिन गुड हार्ट है, ये बहुत कम है. जो मिलियनियर है वो मॉडल बनना चाहते हैं तो बहुत है. एनी हाउ, दिस इज द एंड ऑफ द दिस वन. थीम वगैरह वगैरह जो होगा, प्लॉट, ये सब बाद में मतलब एक तो जगह में कर देंगे सेकंड पार्ट में. अच्छा लगे तो सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और कमेंट करके बताना क्या क्या चाहिए आप लोगों को. लेट अस स्टॉप हियर फॉर टुडे. गुड डे.